In this video, I'll answer the question, how long does it take for Empower to process payment? If you're using Empower for investing or transferring money, you might be wondering how fast things actually move. Let's jump right in. First off, Empower is a free financial management app, not a bank or brokerage. So when you transfer money through Empower, you're usually linking your existing bank account or investment accounts. If you're talking about investment purchases or transfers, like buying ETFs or mutual funds, those can take 1 to 3 business days, depending on the market and the fund provider. For ACH bank transfers, like moving money from your bank into an investment account linked through Empower, that usually takes 2 to 5 business days, same as most standard bank transfers. If you're using Empower to track or manage automatic payments, those will process based on your bank's schedule. Empower just shows you what's coming and when. Quick tip: if you need something faster, consider using a wire transfer instead of ACH. But keep in mind, wire transfers usually come with fees. So to sum it up, Empower itself doesn't process payments directly, but the systems behind it typically take 1 to 5 business days, depending on what kind of transaction you're doing. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick finance and app tips. See you next time.